Lots of rain in Bangalore, Yelahanka, and Harohalli, with some sources indicating thunderstorms and heavy rainfall are possible in Harohalli today, September 18, 2025. Forecasts predict varying chances of precipitation, including possible showers and thunderstorms in Yelahanka and Harohalli, though Bangalore-wide predictions can vary from light rain to partly cloudy conditions. Bangalore and Yelahanka. 1. BBC Weather reports light rain at the beginning of the day and then becoming partly cloudy with no expected precipitation later. 2. The Weather Channel shows a chance of rain in Yelahanka, though details vary by hour. And 3. Other sources predict varying conditions, including light to moderate rain. Harohalli. The Weather Channel forecasts thunderstorms and a 100% chance of rain in Harohalli, with heavy rain possible. A Facebook post from early September mentioned rain gathering over Harohalli Lake in Yelahanka, but this is not related to today's forecast. For specific updates, check live weather radar maps on sites like the Weather Channel or AccuWeather for the most current conditions. Local news outlets and weather aggregators are good sources for real-time updates on Bangalore and surrounding areas.